Hello, I'm Duncan Warnock from Warnock Accounting. Today I'm going to show you how we can go through our bank account transactions and calculate the total sales amount for the tax year. Let's begin. We've already sorted our bank account transactions into a worksheet where the received money transactions are in a worksheet on their own. I'm just going to kick off here and just identify which bank account these transactions are from. This is particularly handy if we have income going into multiple bank accounts. Ideally, all our income will go into a single, dedicated business bank account with no personal transactions going in there. Okay, so we're just recording the bank account for these transactions. Should there be income into a different bank account as well, then we won't get confused as to which bank account transactions are which. Okay, let's begin. We're going to add some extra columns here. The original data is actual bank account transaction data, exported from internet banking. We're just going to add a column here. I'm going to say business income, yes or no, and work through the received money transaction. Have a look at transactions now. Of course, if you get stuck on anything, you would pause, confirm the information, and come back and fill in this column as needed. In this example, all the received money bank account transactions are income in the tax year that we're working through, with the exception of 2 transactions. I'm now going to add another column. So I can do a total of those transactions that I've identified as being business income transactions. So I just do a formula here that references the transaction amount column. I don't want to count the transactions that are not business income transactions. I do like leaving them in the spreadsheet though, because if I do make a mistake, I know how to easily apply a fix. So I've actually got a total here. Now businesses can change their GST registration status over time, and whilst we might remember everything right now, in a few years' time, if we do come back to this information, we may get confused as to whether that was the year we were GST registered or whether we registered for only part of the year or some other sort of combination. So I'm just going to add an extra couple of columns here, really for completeness, and just record the fact that in this example scenario, the business was not GST registered at all during the tax year. If the business was GST registered for part of the year, then we would need to add some extra columns, calculate the GST on sales for those relevant transactions in that tax year. Again, this is for completeness. It reduces the chances of making errors. And I'm going to explicitly record the fact that the business was not GST registered at all, because if I come back to the spreadsheet later on, I do know that I have checked this, rather than just made an assumption or guess. Just tidying things up now. Just for complete keep you aware. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.